Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 20. Returning overdue books. Can you help me with returning my late books?
This is the right spot to pay your fee. Put your books down right here.
Okay, here they are.
I can see that you owe 25 cents a day. That will be $1.50 total.
Okay, here's the money.
We are interested in getting our books back. So as long as all the fines are paid off by the end of the semester, you will be fine. Does that make sense?
I'm not sure.
Your registration and transcripts can be held up if there is an outstanding fine.
Now I understand.
Well, you can always keep your late fees down by using the night drop if we are closed. Enjoy the library.
These books should have been turned in last week.
You have come to the correct place. Hand me your books.
Here they are.
Whoa, these are pretty late. You owe $5 total to clear your fine.
I don't have the money right now.
We only require that all fines must be paid off by the end of the semester. So you will be okay to go.
What would happen if I didn't pay it?
It's really important to always clear your fines, so you'll get a report card and transcripts on time.
Yeah, but I don't know how they can do that.
Always remember that the night drop is here, and we really appreciate you returning your books for all to use.
My library books are late. Where can I put them?
This is where they need to be turned in. Let me see them to check the date, okay?
Yeah, I think that they are really late.
Not all that late. You only owe the library 50 cents.
What if I can't pay it?
We appreciate you paying off all fines as soon as possible, but always before the end of the semester.
Yeah, I get it.
Your report card and transcripts will be held until you pay all fines, so always make sure that you do that.
That's not really fair.
If we aren't here, always feel free to use a night drop outside. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.